Hello everyone, welcome to Commerce Logic. Today we are going to study about concepts of cost. Next, first we are going to see this definition of cost. Now we'll see what is the definition of cost. According to CIMA, the amount of expenditure incurred on or attributable to a specified thing or an activity. So CIMA has given this definition of cost. It is an amount of expenditure incurred, or it may be attributed to a specific thing or an activity, then it is called as a cost according to the CIMA. Next, the process of cost ascertaining the cost is known as costing. We have learned the definition in terms of CIMA, and now we are about to know the process of costing. What is costing? The process of ascertaining the cost or the process of finding the cost of a thing or an expenditure is called costing. Then, what is cost? Cost is an expenditure to the manufacturer. It is different in different opinions. It is different in opinions of different people. So in the view of manufacturer, cost is an expenditure. In the view of customer, cost is a price. And next, the manufacturer would like to know the cost of a unit manufactured. In case of manufacturer, he would like to know the cost of unit manufactured. So if he manufactured goods, he would like to know the cost of services, if renders or offers services. If he renders services, he would like to know the cost of services. If he is producing goods, then he would like to know the cost of cost incurred for manufacturing of goods. For example, in transport services, the service provider would like to know the cost of each passenger traveled per mile. So in order to find out this definition of cost will be used. And here, cost of each passenger traveled per mile is the main objective of the service provided to find out the cost of each passenger traveled per mile. In transport services, service provided will be liking to know the cost of each passenger traveled per mile. Next, there are some important things to know about cost accounting. Now let's see about them. Now, here, when the importance of cost accounting has been evaluated, then industrial revolution took place. That is during 18th century. And next, in the year 1875, the concept of prime cost has been evolved. During in 1880 AD to 1925 AD, it has seen the development of complex product designs. In 1913, J.L. Nicholson's cost accounting theory and practice from New York has been evolved. Next, now we'll see what is cost accounting. It is not only providing the information to ascertain the cost, but after that, costing can be carried out arithmetically using memorandum statements or by integral accounting. Next, cost accountancy. It is an application of costing and cost accounting principles, methods, and techniques to the science, art, and practice of cost control. So these are two things about cost accounting and cost accountancy. And next we'll see about objectives of cost accounting. The first objective is to analyze and clarify all the expenditure concerning the cost of products and operations. To arrive at the cost of production of every unit, job, operation, process, department or service and to develop cost standards. To provide actual figures of cost for comparison with estimates to serve as a guide for future estimates or quotations and to assist the management in their price fixing policy. Next, this is the third objective, and next one is to show where standard costs are prepared, what the cost of production ought to be, and with the actual costs that are eventually recorded may be compared. So these are the different objectives of cost accounting. Next we'll see importance of cost accounting. Importance of cost accounting can be served as follows. It acts as an aid to the management. Next, it is an aid to creditors. It's an aid to employers. Next, it's an aid to the national economy. And we will see how this has become aid to management now. Costing as an aid to management. It helps in the periods of trade depression and trade competition. It helps in aiding price fixation. It helps in making estimates. It helps in channelizing on right time. It eliminates wastages. It helps in enhancing efficiency. It helps in inventory. Next, we are going to see how costing as an aid to creditors. Investors, banks, and other money lending institutions have a stake in success of the business concern and therefore benefited immensely from the installation of an efficient system of costing. So next, costing as an aid to employees. Employees have vital interest in their employer's enterprise in which they are employed. As if they are employees, they may be having vital interest upon their employer's enterprise. So they are benefited in several ways by the installation of a new system of costing. So they benefit through continuous employment and higher remuneration by the way of incentives, bonus plans, etc. Next, costing as an aid to national economy. And an efficient system of costing brings prosperity to the business enterprise, which in turn results in stepping up the government revenue. So the overall economic development of a country takes place as a consequence increase in efficiency of production. So this costing acts as an aid to go employees and employers and management and creditors, and it also acts as an aid to the national economy. So hope you understood this concepts of cost accounting. If you like it, uh, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel.